How to replace on-center image in Photoshop. Select Quick Selection tool. Select on-center image. Go to Select, Modify, click on Expand Value on 2 pixels, right-click, click on Layer via Copy. Go to File, click on Place Embedded. Select the image and click on Place and Enter. Go to Layer, click on Create Clipping Mask. Again go to Layer, Rasterize, click on All Layers. Go to Image, Adjustment, click on Match Color. Select the file and select on Background. Check Preview. Click OK. Look at the image. Thank you for watching videos.